everybody, it's Jennifer, and I've already started. Girl, I thought I had lipstick on my teeth. Sorry, excuse me. I have already started to edit this really pretty look, in my opinion. My opinion only. I think it's really pretty, but I had already started to edit it, and then I, was going through trying to get my clips in order, and I was like, I didn't film an intro. I did not film an intro. If you guys knew the amount of times that I've had to go back and film an intro when I've already started editing, you would probably have a seizure. Like, a seizure, a stroke. I am so bad about remembering to do my intro. I very rarely do videos where my intro is like in the main clip of the video and I like start barefaced and go from it. No, I want to be extra. I want my intro to show you guys what the look is going to be when it's completed. So I have to film it when I'm done filming the main section of the video, and I forever forget it. So without further ado, this is going to be a really pretty, let me rearrange my mirror so I can see. I don't really know what I'm going to call this yet. Like a warm, caramely, coppery, smoky eye. I mean, I feel like warm tone eyes have been beat to death, but they're so freaking pretty. They got popular for a reason. They're so freaking pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up down below, and you could subscribe to me. I'm just saying. I'm doing a giveaway when I hit 100 subscribers. You're entered to win just by being subscribed to me, so you can totally subscribe. It's free. Like, it does nothing to hurt your existence, so you should subscribe to my channel. And I think I say it at least 56 times during the actual video, but just in case, I am going to link everything I used down below. So the description box is getting a little busy since I've started to link everything, but nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoy it. I have my Profusion Festival palette and my Anastasia and Alyssa Edwards palette here, and I know that this palette is awesome and that this palette is awesome, so I want to kind of create like a fiery, like an honest warm tone eye. Like, I want yellows and oranges and like pinky reds, so that's what we're gonna do today. That's what I feel like doing. So I've said it in a few of my other videos, but I'm being so serious this time. I don't know if you can see back there. It's 11:13 at night, and your girl has to be up at 6 a.m. and I have not gotten up at 6 a.m. in a while. So I have to get up at 6 to go get tests done on my gallbladder to see if that bad boy is gonna be coming out or not. So we're not doing a cut crease today. I promise you, swear on my life, swear on my mama, we're not doing a cut crease. So let us begin. I'm actually going to start in the festival palette. I do have the little insert with the names on it, but I'm gonna just be pointing today. This is gonna be an extra chill video. I am trying to pre-film quite a bit in case I have to have my gallbladder removed. So yeah, I might be repeating myself in a few of my videos, and I'm sorry. So let's start with this right here. It's just a light orangey shade. I am just going to start with a fluffy little crease brush, and we're going to buff this into our crease. Nice. We're starting off sturdy here. In an effort to make sure my videos aren't all 50 years long, I'm going to finish this eye and then do this eye off camera, and then we'll be back to do our lip. I think it's gonna work out. So continuing, same shade on this brush and just building that up. That's not, I mean, that's orange, but that's not as orange as I'm thinking I want. So now we're going to go in with this one just to see. Oh yeah, that's more along the lines of what I'm needing. This is going to be a very simple eye look. a no-cut crease. Really thinking about not doing a wing. I was going to do a wing, but now I'm second guessing it. So that's about where I'm wanting it. So now I'm going to take just a, like, this shade right here, girl, in the Festival palette. It's just like a burnt orange shade. And I'm going to work this onto the outer edge of my eye. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors open. And into my crease a little bit. I'm just really building up my crease. Okay, TBH. And I'm trying to leave this section of my eye as naked as possible to avoid cutting the crease. Nobody wants to cut a crease. Okay, that was a lie. A lot of people like cutting their crease. I don't though. So I'm just building up my outer corner some more. Open up. Yes! Oh, I'm feeling it. I'm just gonna take a little smudgy brush. It looks dirty. It's just supremely stained, so. Now I'm going to be hopping into this palette for a moment, and we're gonna take Beast, which is the black. You know what? I think instead of calling this a warm tone eye, I think I'm gonna call it like a I want Halloween to hurry the hell up and get here eye, because it's gonna be orange and black. So you do with that what you want. So I'm gonna take this on a smudge brush, and I'm just making light little streaks and following the shape of my eyeball. Alright, I'm changing my mind. I'm lying. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Just with the same crease brush that I have been blending with, I'm going to load up my brush with back rolls. And I'm not cutting my crease, but I'm going to add this completely to my lid like so. There goes the fallout. I'm just gonna swipe it away as it lands. And I'm just going to build this up with back rolls, which is just a medium chocolatey brown. I'm pretty sure I've said that at least 19 times by now. And then I'm very barely, like hardly any pressure on my brush, and move your fingers. Start holding your brush at the closer to the end of it, and I'm going to blend that upward a smidgen. The fallout is getting real. So now that we're there, and I've completely changed what I want to do, I'm actually going to go in with our original crease brush, and I'm going to take the Supreme out of the Alyssa Edwards palette. It's like a peachy shade, and I'm going to add this in the crease and just super blend this out. If the colors start to muddle together, I think that's what we're wanting. I think that's what I'm going for right now, so we're just gonna carry on. Yes! Okay. I'm sorry, I don't know what I want in life. Just touching up back rolls there. I'm going to take this super shimmery shade out of the Profusion palette, and I'm going to load up my brush, tap out some excess, and then I'm going to spritz it with just any setting spray. I'm just trying to use up the Physicians Formula Insta-Ready. Let me see what we're doing here. I'm gonna add this to, oh sweet Jesus. The doors open, take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you open. That, oh, I love it. Okay, I'm just going to put that on the inner third of my eye, and I'm just going to build it up. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Yes, okay. Excuse me. Now I'm wiping off the crease brush we were using back rolls with to just where it's just dry and kind of got a little staining going. And I'm just going to blur that edge a little bit. Yes, ma'am. I'm digging that. Now I'm just going to quickly take the lightest shade in Profusion Festival, and I'm going to... I said I wasn't gonna do winged liner, but now I've decided I'm not gonna do real eyeliner at all. Girl, I'm not gonna do I'm not gonna do any eyeliner at all. I am simply going to take Beast, yes, these just stark ass matte black out of the Alyssa Edwards palette, and I'm just going to smudge it on my lash line a little bit. It's just gonna add a little how you doing of definition. Now I'm going to take just any smudgy brush, and I'm going to start with that light orange shade that we started with. Then I'm gonna go in with the bright orange. And then finally burnt orange. And I'm gonna aim this toward the middle and outer lash lines. And then I'm gonna take just a tinge of black. I'm going to tightline very quickly. I'm going to hop off of here and add my mascara, my lashes, and I'm going to do my other eye, and we will be back to hit up the lips. So, go for it. All right, guys, I am back. Weird things happened. Just the whole look completely changed, and about halfway through doing it, I was like, man, I should start recording. And then, well, I didn't. So anyway, for the most part, this eye is completely the same as how I did this first eye, except instead of using this shimmery orange shade right here out of the Festival palette, which you can use, but I was like, man, I want this to be like, I want it coppery. I could have sworn my life I had one of the L'Oreal Infallible loose pigment thingies, press pink, whatever they are, eyeshadow things, that was copper, but I didn't. And then I saw this, which I got like last year or two in an Ipsy bag. This is by Meech and Mia, and it is called Copper, and they do have their website on there, so I'm going to try to link this down below. This is straight loose pigment. I just spritzed my brush with the same setting spray and layered it on, and look at that, it's so pretty. I also took ColourPop's Flexitarian and the Urban Decay Liquid Moon Dust, and this is in Chemtrail, to do my inner corner highlight, and then I added this under my, girl, what the flippin' flappins is that? That was a little not correct. Anyway, so everything else stayed the same. I tightlined with the same eyeliner that I don't even think I told you what it was. It's the Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil Waterproof in Black Love. It's just black gel liner. And then I did use both mascaras. I, however, decided not to put on falsies. I don't think it's this mascara. I've been using this mascara pretty much since I got it in my Ulta haul, which I will link down below for you guys. But I'm not a big fan of this mascara. I wasn't a big fan of Better Than Sex, so I was hoping that I would like this more, but not really. But this one, Essence The False Lashes Dramatic Volume Unlimited Mascara, is the shit. Like, I don't have long eyelashes naturally. This shit is poppin'. So totally get that. So now all that's left to do is the lips, and at first I didn't know what kind of lip. I'm just adding lip serum from Blistex. At first I didn't know what kind of lip I wanted to do, but since this is pretty Halloween fall vibe and my lips are already foundation and concealered out and I look like the dead, I thought we could keep on with the dead nude lip look. Because of that, we're going to be using Jeffree Star's Mannequin. Oh. So let's do this. Granted, this is more of a like brownie nude, but still. And I am going to slightly overdo my lips a little bit. Open up. I like putting the lip serum or whatever moisturizer I use that day down before any liquid lipstick. So I think his formula, in my opinion, is really close to the Anastasia liquid lip. So if you like that formula, you really would like these. It's very thin. So let me finish. Yes! I love it! I freaking love it. So, I'm feeling very 90s almost. This is so not 90s makeup, but I'm feeling grungy 90s vibes from it, slash fall, slash Halloween, slash warm tones. So I don't know what I'm gonna call this, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really am happy with how this turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm doing a giveaway at 100 subscribers. You're entered to win when you are subscribed to me, but make sure your profile on YouTube is set to public or whatever it's called. When you have your profile set to private, I cannot see that you are subscribed to me. So then when I do hit 100, which I'm getting very close to, but when I do hit it, I'm not gonna know like who all subscribed to me. Does that make sense at all? Like, I can only see certain people that are subscribed to me because they're the only ones that have their profile set to public. So if you would like to be entered into the giveaway, you should probably make your profile public. So other than that, I will link all of the products I use down below as long as I can find them all. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to. And I will link my Instagram so you guys can follow me over there. I feel like this video is at least 45 minutes long. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.